Alright guys, I'm outside. Remember that stop sign I showed before? Well, look how deep it is. So far they're saying we got 11 inches. Check this out. It is so beautiful out here though. They plowed the streets. No cars. It's all just white. There goes the fire trucks. They're checking all the roads to make sure everybody's okay. And check out the mountain in front of my house. Got my landlord shoveling snow over here with her buddy. They're not happy campers right now.
Be able to do this shit by myself.
There you go. Michael, so how you like the stormy weather today? It blows?
Big fat sloppy donkey.
They've been shoveling, poor people. They've been here like 4 hours.
He's hitting me up for a real expensive dinner.
Uh-oh. That's on video. She's got to pay him dinner to shovel.
Dinner and dessert.
Oh.
Dinner and dessert?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's my neighbor plowing his yard. Let's check him out. This is crazy. I haven't seen snow like this since my son was born. And he was born under 18 inches of snow. Check him out. With his snow blower. Now I'm gonna go down the corner. I'm gonna show you the hill that I walk to go to work, to go to school every day. Let's see how that looks today, since I didn't have to walk it this morning. I just had to come out and check out the snow. I love the snow. As long as I don't have to go to work in it, go to school in it, walk in it. Can't do snow angels, because snow's not good for that. Not yet, at least. Now it is actually ice. It's raining, but ice, and it kind of hurts. I'm on the road, by the way. Notice there's no snowplow, and this is the side street where I live. Well, here's looking down to Orient Way, if you notice. Lightly plowed. And there's the top of the hill. So guys, I had to come out and check out the snow, see how bad it was for myself. It's kind of cool though. But there is at least 11 inches here in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. So, guys, if you don't have to be out in this, stay home. It's not worth it. And for my girl, Lucy, you are lucky you have a 4x4 because it is not drivable streets. All right, guys, you have a great day and God bless you all.